What's up YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, I'm very excited to bring you guys my unboxing and on-feet review of the newly released Adidas FUTUREPACER. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away hyper laces, a Nike Legend React, as well as REMS cleaning solution to 3 lucky subscribers. Hit the link down below. You have to be subscribed. You have to follow me on Instagram to be able to join. Link down below. So earlier today, I went on over to Seoul Academy over at BGC to cop my pair of the Adidas FUTUREPACER. Now, before I get on with this video, yes, this is the third video for the day. If you guys haven't checked out the previous 2 videos, links down below. I did an unboxing of the Project Rock 1 from Under Armour, as well as my review of the New Balance 247 V2. Now, I won't be uploading any more a video tomorrow, Sunday. Probably the next video will come out on Monday. But again, you guys have 3 videos to watch for this weekend. Links to the other 2 videos that were just uploaded, again, down below. Hit them, watch them. So the FUTUREPACER comes in your typical blue Adidas box. You have the 3 stripes all over it, the Adidas logo. You have the FUTUREPACER details on the side, as well as the tag, as well as the size, and the price tag. This one in the Philippines sells for 9,300 pesos or maybe around $180 US. So it is pricey. It is priced at the same price as the Ultra Boost, but this isn't a running sneaker. Well, yes, it originated from a running sneaker, and you can probably run in this particular pair, but from what I've seen, it's primarily a lifestyle, everyday, comfy sneaker. Once you pop open the box, there's nothing special inside apart from the wrapper and, of course, the sneaker. So here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Adidas FUTUREPACER. To those who don't know, this was actually inspired or based on the previous running model called the MicroPacer, which was released several decades ago. The original model actually had an LED screen here, which showed you statistics from your run or from your walk, or the number of steps and all of that stuff. So think of it like a Fitbit connected to the front of the sneaker. But now, instead of that, you have a pouch. What? Yes. This has a pouch. This has a pocket. For whatever reason it is, I have no idea. You can put coins, you can put like bills, you can put like a card. But man, it's just crazy that they put like a pouch here. Something that I still have to wrap my head around on the purpose for this particular, feature of the sneaker. So what's so special about the Adidas FUTUREPACER apart from that thick Boost midsole that you guys see here at the bottom? Is it just another typical Boost sneaker? Actually, what makes this pretty interesting is that it has Velcro straps for the pouch that you guys saw here. So there is some sort of shield, there is some sort of cover for the lacing system. Now, as you guys see here, there's a Velcro strap over there. So all you have to do is pop it in like that, and then you're able to cover the front of the shoe. Now that gives it a very different aesthetic. It gives it a very futuristic, modern take on the design. But again, it's a hit or miss. Some people will like it, some people will not like it. However, if you ask me, it's really more of a design thing than anything else. I don't see the reason why you would want to put a shield to cover the laces. It's not water resistant, it's not waterproof. It's really just a different kind of aesthetic to the sneaker itself. What is worth calling out though, or pointing out in this shoe, is the quality of the materials that they put in it. I just love the quality of the leather that they used for the upper, from the sides to the top over here at the forefoot, to the midfoot, all the way here at the back. It's not your typical cheap leather that you use with sneakers. Apart from that, they also put in some sort of, I'm not sure if this, it's not suede, but it's some sort of synthetic material here at the back, which gives it a great accent to the overall usually light colored sneaker. So that black one here gives it a little pop, as well as that blue stability TPU thing here at the back of the sneaker. Other design elements that you guys might find interesting, they kept up with that deconstructed vibe that's been going on lately, that's very popular these days, with the exposed stitching that you have here near the badge of the sneaker, as well as the top of the tongue tab that you guys see here. So those are stitches that you don't really need to show, but they decided to show it anyway to keep in trend with the deconstructed vibe. Same stitches also are shown here at the back of the sneaker. So how is this sneaker, the FUTUREPACER, on feet? Now, it is very comfortable if you have normal narrow feet. So if your foot is the normal size, then I don't think you will have a problem, because that thick boost midsole is something that will definitely give you guys fantastic cushioning. The leather upper as well is very pillowed inside, so you won't have a problem when it comes to the overall feel of the shoe. It's also surprisingly breathable despite being an almost full leather sneaker, and the shield covering the potential air vents for the lacing system. What is the problem though of this sneaker is that this is not friendly for people with flat feet or wide feet. Why do I say that? If you take a look at inside of the sneaker, or at least here, you see that the midfoot part is very narrow. Now, normally this would be okay because this part would, you know, just let your feet like hang out a bit, kind of like with the Calabasas and the other sneakers. But this plug that they put here, let me turn down the light a bit. This plug, this EVA or TPU plug that they put here, which is supposed to help with the stability of the sneaker, is hella annoying for people with flat feet because you do feel it pressing up the side of your arc. So it can actually be very uncomfortable and can be very annoying if you wear it for an extended period of time. Which brings me to my recommendation on this sneaker. This for me is a fantastic sneaker for people who have normal or, you know, narrow feet and want like a modern future vibe with their sneaker, as well as a comfortable everyday, you know, stride. I wouldn't recommend this at all to people with wide and flat feet because of that annoying placement of the TPU insert that they put here. It really hits the arc of your foot, which for me makes it really a deal breaker. So that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found it informative, especially to all of the flat, wide feet squad out there. Beware that annoying TPU plug that you see with the FUTUREPACER over here. Now, I hope you're all having a great weekend, and I hope you all have a fantastic week ahead. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And if you are looking for sneakers, apart from going to the stores, you might want to check out my carousel page, especially if you are size 12. That's it for now. Peace. God bless.